tons and tons of cleaning business coaches out there. Like there's a lot of coaches out there. Hell, one day you guys may be coaches, okay? And just like anything, everybody has an opinion, and everybody does this thing differently. I know coaches that don't quote the way I quote, and that's cool. I don't even understand how they quote. They don't even understand how I quote. That is okay. Okay. Does that mean that the way they're quoting is wrong and the way I'm quoting is right, or what I'm doing is wrong but theirs is right? Everybody has their own way of doing things. If you ask four different coaches how to quote, you're gonna get four different answers. Okay,
Right.
that's gonna confuse the hell out of you. So the only true way to do it, I always like to tell people that experience is your best teacher. This is what helped me because in the beginning I would follow different coaches as well, and I just
Mhm.
would just get confused, because everybody, this person say this person say that, so I would get confused. The best way, the only thing that really really taught me was experience. I had to bid, I had to fail, and bidding wrong helped me bid right. It helped
Okay.
me bid correctly. So that's what taught me. So nowadays, when I'm bidding, I usually would look at a building or a house or whatever it is, and I would take a guesstimate on how long it would take a cleaner to clean it. How many cleaners do I need? I can do that because I have so much experience in cleaning. I can look at a building and say, okay, well, this is going to take 8 people, should take 8 people about 4 hours.
Mhm.
So I just give it a guesstimate and I go from there. Then you got to learn how to ask the right question to your client. How many people used to clean this building before? If they can give you that answer, that will help you bid. You understand? Like for the
Okay.
daycare that you just had, for that
Mm-hmm.
daycare, did you ask the lady how many people used to clean it?
It was one, but that was because the owner of it, she has her cleaning her home as well. But that did help because I knew, okay, 1 to 2 people max.
There you go.
It
There you
does.
see, that helps you out. You gotta ask that question. That's my magic
Agree.
question. I'm praying that they give me the answer. How many people used to clean it? Now, if they
Mhm.
say one person, like I just did a walkthrough yesterday on a dance studio, and they said that one lady comes and she spends 1 hour. But the dance studio lady that wants to hire us, she was pissed because she said there's no way in hell that she could be getting finished in an hour. I mean, she said, look at this place, an hour. She said, we have her on camera and she goes in an hour. So that told me that my one
They need
person
more
need
time.
to at least take 2 or 3 hours. You understand?
Uh-huh.
So I'm like, oh, okay, only an hour. Oh, yeah. And it's just a lot of mopping and a lot of glass cleaning that has to go on. So
Mhm.
ask the right question. Ask the right question. And on that bid, I think we bidded $125.
Mm.
I'm just gonna give that one to my daughter and give her
Yeah.
the whole thing because Lord knows she needs money. So I'm just gonna give her that whole account. It's once a week. It's a little small account, $500 a month, and every Friday.
Is that the one that's having the baby?
Yeah,
Congratulations on that, by the
So
yeah,
way.
cute, right?
yeah. I'm trying to get
Aw.
her all the little small jobs. I'm loading her up.
I just knew she was
Stay
gonna
out
have
my
a
pocket.
boy. I really knew
Yeah.
I wanted her to have a boy.
I
Yeah.
thought it was a boy.
So cute.
I wish they would have got it on camera when they smashed you, though.
Me too.
Oh
Why
man,
they
they
show it
didn't get it.
faster?
I was team boy for real. I had the blue glasses on and everything.
You was confident.
Yeah, I was too confident, boy, and wrong.
Yeah.
But
But
yeah, that's what I would do. Ask the right questions, give it a good guesstimate, and then, like I said, do your market research in your city. See what all their other cleaning companies are paying for this stuff. See see what they would quote for it. Just see if you can get a quote over the phone. Some of them won't give you a quote, but it
a
won't hurt.
lot of them don't. A lot of them don't.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a lot because they like me. I don't never quote nothing over the phone either. you know.
Yeah.
But just give it a good guesstimate and then just go from there and it'll teach you how to quote. Not only that, but you can always use that calculated clean app. You can always use that app. Just put in the credentials and see what you get and just work around that number.